Hi and welcome back to the channel, how you can reset the picture setting on your Hisense smart TV. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you need to press on the home button on your remote, and then you need to just go to the right where you will find the setting gear there. You need to tap on that one. You just scroll down and you will find display and sound. So you need to tap on display. The next thing you need to do is to just tap on the picture option. And from here, you can go scroll down and you will find the reset. Tap on reset and here you will find the current picture settings will reset back to the factory settings. Do you want to continue? So either if you want to change it, you can tap on yes or no. I don't want to change it, but from here you can change the picture settings of your smart TV. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.